Welcome back. We're still at the low point of the day for our markets, 10,900. But in an exclusive conversation with CNBC TV 18 earlier today, Mark Mobius spoke on a whole host of issues related to the U.S. economy, the farm loan waivers in India, and the expectations from 2019 general elections. Listen in.
The Fed is going to continue with this disposal of all these assets that assets, I should say, that they've gathered over these few years. And so we can expect further rate hikes, but it'll be at a much slower pace, in my view, particularly since he used the word uncertainty, since he said that there's a possibility of a slowdown in the U.S. economies. However, the uncertainty, the general uncertainty, gives people pause to pour too much money into emerging markets. We've seen some money coming in, but not to the extent that we would expect, given the very good growth outlook for emerging markets. What is concerning to us is the political talk about the farmers' loan forgiveness, which is a palliative. Of course, it's very good for the farmers for the short term, but for the long term, it's not a very good move, I believe, because it means that you're not looking at the basic problems, which is infrastructure and other aspects which will help the farmers in the long run. In the short term, of course, the loan forgiveness helps the economy, and then you get a boost to growth. With this loan forgiveness, of course, you're going to see consumption skyrocket, and you're going to see many, many opportunities in the consumer area. Definitely, there'd be a real problem if you see the reforms that Modi has introduced disposed of. That would be a real backward step. Now, I believe that the Congress Party would not do that. They probably continue, but populist measures are not a good medicine for the economy.
All right, on that note, we keep an eye on the screen. Close to 10,900, markets still under pressure, but trading hour comes up next, takes the market action forward.